Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Fish Academy. Today I'm in a farm in Owerri. So this Mr. Anthony who invited me down to his farm. I'm going to show you what he invited me to do in the farm, which I'm almost done. So meet Mr. Anthony. Mr. Anthony, welcome to my channel.
Thank you, Fish Academy, Mr. Fish Academy.
Yeah.
You are highly welcome.
All right. This is Imo State. Please, what part of Imo State is this? Which part of Imo State?
We are precisely at Umuagwo.
Umuagwo.
In Ohaji, Egbema local government in Imo State.
All right. So, actually, I was here on my way back from Onitsha a week ago, and you asked me to stop in your farm. And there were some statements you made use of when you asked me to maybe you asked me some questions, and I think with those things where I told you that should be corrected, you appreciated me for coming to the farm.
Exactly.
And you contracted me to come and do some amendment here in the farm.
Exactly.
We're going to go there so that you rate what I've just done today.
Okay.
But before now, we can see your farm is a very big farm. How did you start? And how old is your farm now? Because this is a very big farm, big farm here.
Exactly. As you can see, we started about 3 years ago.
Yeah.
Do we put in actually the financial aspect coming to the financing of the farm?
Okay.
The cash was not. It's not as if the cash was in bulk, so it was just slow and steady thing.
Okay.
You know, doing the fencing, then doing construction of the workers' residence.
Okay.
There's the workers' residence.
Okay.
You can see here.
Yeah.
Then followed by the construction of the farm.
Okay.
So this is the construction, even the roofing, because we have to roof it.
Okay.
We have to make sure we roof it because we are kind of being afraid of maybe the weather and at the same time birds.
Okay.
So that was one of the reasons why we roofed.
Okay.
So it has not really been easy.
Okay.
Then gradually we are still working, and we eventually met Mr. Fish Academy.
Yeah.
And invited him to come to our farm, to our rescue.
All right, thank you for inviting me.
One or two things in place.
All right. So let's go right into the farm where we have, I think we have, how many ponds do we have in there?
We have about 33 ponds.
33 concrete altogether with the
concrete ponds.
Okay.
Then extra 12 plastic pond, vask. Yeah. We call it vask.
Yeah, let's go in. Let's go in. Okay, so this is the farm, and these are the vats. 12.
So there are 12 in number.
Okay, 12 as you can see, and this is a very big, a very large farm, and actually, the work that has been done here is undergoing renovation or amendments. Yes. Let me put it that way.
Exactly.
Due to the fact that the first person that handled the job didn't put so many things into consideration, and today amendment work is going on in all the concrete pond.
Exactly.
So I will use this medium to advise people going to fish farming. Once you want to construct your pond, you should try to contact experts so that you will not do double spending as Mr. Anthony is doing already.
Exactly.
Yeah. So I believe after now, if you want to construct other concrete pond, which you've made me to understand that you have other land, I think you contact expert. But for the roofing is perfect. The roofing is perfect, and I give kudos to the person that did this roofing. So I've shown you what to do as to make your concrete pond good to stock. So these are 30 something concrete pond. 33. And we have some few fish for now. Yes. We have some few fish here. Immediately after the amendment work, more fingerlings are going to come in, which Mr. Anthony himself has paid for some already, and to be supplied by me. So we have some few fingerlings in here sorted already. So it's not that clear. So let's see how the treatment of the pond. This place just plaster it today, undergoing a modification. Even this has been plastered. I said all the pond here, all the concrete tank here undergoing modification. So these are the one that have been modified already. So, and is undergoing treatment using some plants. So if you want to treat your pond after plastering, after construction, you do it this way, and you leave it for like 3 weeks, and then you stock your fish. Actually, the setting is nice, but I just pray that there should be no issues again. Amen. Yeah. So let's go straight to the hatchery. Let's see what I've been able to do there. It's a very good reservoir here. 6 of it. How many liters each?
They're about 3,750 and with 500 into 4 places.
Okay.
That's out. We are looking about 2,000, then 2,000, 3,000, 4,250 liters in total.
All right, this is nice. And right here is the hatchery. Right here is the hatchery. For those of you that started this video from the beginning, I showed you what this place was like before doing this. I was invited by Mr. Anthony to come and do some renovation work, especially here in the hatchery. The piping here was not good at all. So you know, so many people have been hatching and have been having issue due to maybe the lack of experience and the proper piping of the hatchery. So I have to. Mr. Anthony invited me so I can do the normal piping, and I have to do it very well because maybe Mr. Anthony will invite me to come and hatch. So I have to do it so that I will have no excuse to give. So I have to do it the way it ought to be done. So. Exactly. So this, although the hatchery is still undergoing construction, but I'm done with the piping. You can see this place I've cracked it, and I've removed the old pipe that was here. I've been able to pipe the entire hatchery, and let's see the overflow piping. So this is it. I did all this today, as you can see, and there are eight hatchery down in here, and we have 8 valves. Some of it are behind this place. So Mr. Anthony, with the work I've done today, what do you have to say?
Actually, what I'm really amazed with what I'm seeing. Even before now, had it been you are not here, we wouldn't have been able to come up with this construction. Okay. So I thank you for coming and putting all this, making it possible for this construction to be well successful. Looking at it, though it has not been test run, but I know it's going to. Yeah, it's going to work. It's going to work.
So the reason why, let me just explain what I've done here. This valve here, this is once the water is building up in the hatchery, when you open your supply in the hatchery, as the water is building up in the hatchery, if this place is locked like this, if the place is locked, once you are putting in water into the hatchery, the water will also be building up here in the pipe, will be building up, and when it gets to a particular level in the hatchery, which I've already measured, once it gets to that level, the water will begin to flow out into this chamber. So that is the idea behind this construction. And when you want to discharge the water entirely from the hatchery, all you need to do is for you to open this valve. You open this valve, you open this, and the water will discharge completely. But if you don't want the water to discharge completely, for the overflow to continue, then that place you have to lock it. So that is the idea behind this flow through, and I like constructing my flow through like this. So this is it. It's a very big farm, and I appreciate you and for inviting me to your farm after watching so many of my videos on YouTube. So I have to be behind the camera today because I've just finished this job and I'm very dirty. So I have to be behind the camera. And number two, I didn't come with my media personnel today. I came alone. So that's that. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
Anything that will be done, I think I will complete it some other time.
Exactly.
All right. Nice meeting you, Mr. Anthony.
You're welcome.
All right. Bye. So what do you have to say to my subscribers? I think they are seeing you for the first time.
Exactly. All I have to say is please keep subscribing to Mr. Fish Academy.
Yeah.
All you just have to do is to subscribe, then click the bell button
In order for you to be notified.
In order for you to be notified
Whenever I upload
so whenever
new video.
there is a new video.
All right.
So in fact as long as the Fish Academy is involved, all your problem about fish farming, fish construction, pond construction are solved.
All right. Thank you very much. I believe you all do as Mr. Anthony have said. All right. Let me watch you guys click the subscribe button. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye.